Making the ideal cup of organic tea is an artistic medium that can improve the experience of drinking tea. Now, recall that good things come to those who wait. Therefore, give your tea the proper length of steeping time and take enough time to enjoy each cup. Try out a variety of brewing techniques to see the one that suits you best. Selecting the best natural tea for your requirements. Choosing the best natural tea for your needs might be difficult given the abundance of options available. There is a tea out there for everyone, whether you're searching for a soothing nighttime ritual or an energy boost in the morning. So, you should also pay attention to your body signals and try out various combinations until you discover the ideal one that works for you. Well, I'll give you a brewing method. You fill the bottom of the jar with 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. Boil some water in your jar, then leave it for 15 minutes to 4 hours, after which you remove the loose leaf. Enjoy. Also, if you are trying something like lemongrass, though it depends on the individual, but I think steaming heat for 30 minutes is good for me. So I don't know what works for you. Just try different things and whatever you think is best and it works good for your body. You can adopt it and stick to it. Subscribe. So this age-old beverage, hot or cold, is a gentle yet potent ally that supports our general health and vigor, as well as a source of comfort and delight. Thus, the next time you grab for a cup of tea, relish its goodness and know that with every sip, you are not only enjoying a delightful beverage, but also nourishing your body, you know, taking good care of it. So, cheers to the age old custom and contemporary marvel that is natural tea. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching till this time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope to see you in the next video. And yeah, you can check the healthy drinks playlist for different kind of drinks that you may prefer. And also, if your preference is natural tea, that is also available on the channel. Thank you.